on the chair so you can put it right here so you can break it open. Okay.
You need scissors?
Can you get
Maybe Mimi can help you a little bit,
Here,
sweetie.
Let's just make it like this and just tear it. Tear it. Keep going. Pull it out. Pull it out. Yeah, that's it. Keep going.
Good job. Rip it right off, buddy. You need the bow off?
I'll get the eyes off. Okay, you can tear it here and there. Pull like that and tear it.
What's in there? Good job.
What's
What is that?
What's that? A hard hat.
A hard hat.
Oh
Look
boy.
at this. That's a hard hat, like the little bird wears in your story when he visits the construction site, buddy. Oh, I hope
See,
that was
this
supposed to
goes
come
in
off.
there like that, and then it goes on your head. Let's see how big we want it, okay? This you can measure. Let's measure how big. I guess that goes in the back, doesn't it?
Looks like
This
that's
is
where he
an
pulled it out.
adjustable one, I tell you.
Wow, a digger. Yeah, you can wear that hat when you run the digger.
Hey Brendan.
Get what this one does.
Brendan. Look
Look
at that.
what that
Look
one
at
does.
Baba.
Hey, Brendan, can you put
Oh,
your
yeah,
hat on and
okay.
show Baba? Can you put your hat on?
So maybe fix it up.
Yellow, that's right. It's yellow. Good job.
I think this takes a mother's touch. Brenda, let me see how big your head is.
Oop.
It's a little big. A little big. I don't get what this one does.
Well, it